Right, so if you're not leveraging AI for SEO, you're gonna get left behind. I'm gonna show you why that is. By now, and if you don't know, Journalist allows you to create articles like this solely with AI, right? Articles with featured images, in-article tables of contents, internal links, external links, in-article images. You can also add videos, all this. Again, you can publish this to WordPress if you want, or Shopify and all that. But there's one thing that Journalist does that no other tool does out there, which is setting up automatic internal links, right? With the content you generate, right? Let's say this was an article you generated, this one too, this one too, this one too, this one too. All of these, this is what Journalist does, they interlink between each other, right? In a way that makes sense. For example, this fresh herbs would link out to an article that you generated in the past about fresh herbs or herbs, right? This one will link out to this one, this to this one, of course, in a way that makes sense. If this article is about motorcycles and this one is about dogs, of course, most likely they won't interlink between each other, right? We're only interlinking relevant articles between each other and with relevant anchor text, right? This is what we call anchor text. Now, this is for internal link. We also do external links, so that is your articles linking out to other authoritative sources in the space, whether that's Forbes, Huffington Post, The Crunch, any other authoritative source like Wikipedia, for example, in your niche, we do that for you automatically, right? Let me show you how you do that. Pretty simple. You go to generate article. You go to presets. I guess you can go to generate articles. There's a simple mode, titles mode, keyword mode. Again, I'm going to run through this real quick. Simple mode, you give it a URL in the description. Select the language, number of articles you want. Click generate. That's good. Titles, you give it titles, generates the articles based on the titles. Keywords, you give it the keywords, it generates the content based on the keywords. Now, if you want to add internal links, internal images, videos, you have to go to the advanced mode, right? And you click on create a preset. I won't go over all these now because I've done that in the past. I want to go over just about the external linking, right? Because you can set all these up, and there's videos on the channel on how to set all these up. So I'm going to go over the external linking. Now, you can add external links manually, right? Meaning you can put it in Wikipedia, a Huffington Post, Forbes, all these authoritative sources that you want your articles that you generate with Journalists, the ones that I just showed you before, to external link to, right? However, if you enable this, we'll scrape the internet for relevant articles in your niche and language. So you don't even have to add this here, right? You generate an article, right? And we'll automatically scrape the whole internet to make sure we add in links, right, in your article that link out to authoritative sources, whether that's Forbes, whether that's Wikipedia, whether that's Investopedia. I don't know. It'll of course depend on your niche. If your articles are about finance, we'll link out to authoritative sources that speak about finance, right? If it's gardening, maybe we'll link out to authoritative sources about gardening, right? Again, just by enabling this automatic external links, you get the external links done for you, right? You don't have to go through the articles, find out the proper anchor text, go out and see and look out for sources. We'll do that automatically for you. That's the power of Journalists, and that's the power of solely one feature. There's a lot more. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, and before I do go, of course, I'll leave a link for this in the description so you can try it out for yourself.